Welcome, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and healthy. Today we will read remaining part of the lesson 3, Taking Care of the Body, page number 22. Now let's start our reading. Our body needs proper rest. Go to bed early and wake up on time. Visit a doctor when ill. Periodical health checkup is a must. Remember to cover your nose and mouth while sneezing or coughing. Always use a handkerchief to wipe your nose. Watch television from a safe distance. Watching television for a very long time is bad for eyes. Splash cold water on your eyes when you get up from sleep and also when you come from outside. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Wash your hands, feet and face when you come back from the playground. Wear fresh and clean clothes. Do not put anything inside your nose or ears. Steps for a healthy daily routine. Wake up early in the morning. Use the washroom, brush your teeth. Take bath with soap and water and dry yourself with a clean towel. Wear tidy clothes and comb your hair to look nice and smart. Have a healthy breakfast to start a great day. Then you become ready to study and play. Now I will explain this portion. We should go to bed early and wake up early. Cover your nose and mouth while sneezing and coughing. Use handkerchief to wipe your nose. Watch television from proper distance. Wash your hands and mouth before and after every meal. Never put anything inside your ears or nose. Hope you all understood this lesson. Now do reading practice at home. Thank you.